The concept of the punch card. This is something that Warren Buffett frequently talks about, where he has said that only a handful of decisions have accounted for the majority of the wealth he has built over his lifetime of, 80 odd years of investing. And what he means by a punch card is, imagine if you were to invest that you only had 20 decisions you can make. You could only punch into that card 20 times, and that was it. You had 20 different cards. Once they were gone, they were gone. You had no more other investment decisions you were able to make for the rest of your life. And what he said is that actually, if you actually abided by this principle, he believes you'd make higher returns because you wouldn't just pick the company that your neighbour's talking about. You would in-depth research, and you'd only bat if you knew the odds were heavily in your favour, where your risk might be limited and you've got large upside with a long runway of growth ahead. So we can sort of elaborate on this concept and build onto it. So something I'm looking to do is, even just having these names of these investments on your wall. You should be something you should be proud of, to have these positions, and every single position you take should be on that wall with a rationale and a reasoning behind why. And that's something famous investors such as Monash Bry has done, sort of, take into account every position he's taken and noted that down. And I do think there's real merit to it, because that every single decision you make, you'll take that much more carefully. You won't just be willing to sort of dump in £100 or whatever amount it is, really, just because of FOMO, fear of missing out. You see certain trends, crypto's on the rise, so you might want to invest in crypto, whatever it is that people do, or simply just a meme stock. So it's something that I believe almost forces you to think from a rational investor's point of view, and I see a lot of tremendous value to it, as it will filter for only the best quality opportunities, and as a result, the quality of your decisions will ultimately reflect your returns long term. This is something Warren Buffett believes, and something I'm going to interpret into my own investing career as well, and see how it goes from there. Thanks for listening.